Hey guys, so today I'm going to be going from East New York to West New York. I know that Broadway Junction is technically in Bed-Stuy, but I'm only human and I couldn't be bothered to walk to Atlantic Avenue. Oh my god, they still have these. Even though MetroCard doesn't even exist anymore. Bushwick. The land of transplants. Nobody likes them. We're going down. Down, 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 gravity.
Fun fact about Halsey Street, it is the only station on the L train to be in Queens. Even though on maps it says that it isn't in Queens, depending on what platform you're in, you're technically in Queens.
Wow. That looks rough. Now we're going on a train that is illegal to film. And you might be asking, why am I going to New Jersey if there was a New Jersey resident who got infected with the hantavirus? Well, it's because, first of all, nothing ever happens. Second of all, they're probably going to be in Nebraska. So who really cares? So we're finally out of the path where it was illegal, or at least heavily discouraged to film. Quite the view. Quite the view.
We'll be right back after these messages for more crappy content.
Hey guys, it's the middle of the video. like, comment, and subscribe.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard,
Wow, this is the second street to ever exist in the world. Wow. Again. What the heck, bro? Again. Why did it glitch out again? Why do you glitch out on me, bro?
Bro, why did I sound zesty as hell?
Wow, we're in a tunnel now. We're in the ground. Yeah, we're getting off at Bergenline Avenue. Wow. It's looking real fancy. The only other station in New York City that I would imagine would look as good as this would probably have to be either South Ferry on the 1 or any stop on the 2nd Avenue subway. Other than that, nah. Oh my god, they even have a dinosaur? Holy crap. Damn, dude. I didn't know New Jersey was chill like that. Hey guys, I'm on the bus back to New York City, and yeah, all I gotta say is that the video is over, and in conclusion, I don't know why I thought this would be that interesting, but hey, it's a
understand mechanical hands are the ruler of everything. Ruler of everything. I'm the ruler of everything.